Hi and warm welcome to Moments with Baji Mutlanti. I go by the name of Baji Mutlanti, and today's video is all about getting some few tips on how to choose a career path. So without any waste of time, let's get into it. So tip number one is to determine your skills and also to evaluate your work style. So this is where you need to draft down all your strength, all the the skills that you are good at, both personal and technical skills. So this is where you need to, evaluate yourself and also evaluating your work style. So in terms of work style, explaining it into, simple terms, a right career path should be suited to your work style. So are you like a daydreamer or procrastinator? So maybe such working environments such as, working independently might not work for you. Maybe you might need, working under a discipline of some supervisory, to get you on task. And let's get to tip number two, which is knowing your talents. Knowing your talents in this journey of finding the right career path is very vital. So what is it that you're very good at or that you want to do, and what is that something that you just want to do and you're very good at? And again, are you a kind of a person who's likes or very good at playing with different types of hair, a person who's good at working with wood or steel, or perhaps an individual who's good at playing a piano or a guitar? Then in that instance, occupations such as being a hairstylist, custom, furniture maker, and a musician might be suitable for you. And, being honest with evaluating your talents and yourself, it helps in, climbing that ladder to get to your success and reaching that, goal of finding the right career path. And tip number three is, the use of self-assessment tools. There are books out there and also workbooks on how, they guide you on how to get or even use the self-assessment tools. Also surf on the net, and there's Google and other search engines. You can, look up to, some self-assessment tools in order to prepare you, for your journey ahead of choosing the right career for you. And there's also, quizzes on the net, may take them and, just to find what you're good at. And also, there's check those job descriptions and salaries related to your field or any field you're interested in, labor relations, abiding to that. So let's jump again to tip number 4, which is the alternative of tip number 3 that I've already mentioned, the use of self-assessment tools rather. So should it not work, the previous tip that I gave you, then you can then opt for, a career coach. If you have money and you afford to hire or, get someone to mentor you through the process of finding the right career path, then so be it. You can go ahead and hire some career coach. And tip number 5 is to, do those or make those informational interviews. And you can do that by means of, getting someone who's doing what you want to do and, organize or arrange rather 10 to 15 minutes interview, and let it be brief, and ask probing questions, and understand the answers and write them down. And, respect the time in their instance, because someone, it might even be a stranger, they're dedicating their own time just to explain. And surely people, are always, glad to assist in their instance, just to tell you the pros and cons of what to do in their field of, expectations. And tip number 6 is to get the real life experience. There's no need of getting, acquiring all qualifications without the relevant, job experience. So in that instance, follow, such companies that offer internships, learnerships, even temporary positions as a way of evaluating individuals before expanding job offers. So by joining that or applying that, you learn a lot, and it will help in building your career. And again, the last tip is to be patient. Be patient. Finding the right career path, it's a process, it's a journey, and it's not always the nice one. So it's not an event. So just be patient while working hard towards your dreams or your goal or your dream job, and just be patient. It takes time. There will be some obstacles somewhere around, along the way rather, and just be patient and believe in yourself, trust the process and trust your hustle, and just, trust your instincts, and all shall fall into place. And I hope this video was very informative and, educative. And if there's any question or concern, or you can leave your comment on the comment section below. And please do subscribe to my channel. So from me, Baji Motlanthe, I'm signing out. Bye.